Vloggy vlog. As promised, I am going to give you a vlog. When me up there now, I go to the supermarket, go get about 2 packs of Oreos. I see something on the internet we want to try. And me actually have the actual ingredients where they say you must have. You know, sometimes you want to do something and then you watch it and alright, check, me have that. Check, me have this. And then them go upon some ingredient where you be like, I don't have that, so that I have to go get left. So I actually have all of the ingredients at the moment. So I'm going to try it. I promise you, somebody say in the comment section, Kevin don't make promises he can't keep. I'm keeping this promise. I'm keeping this promise, okay? So, I go to the supermarket, you know. I go play some ball last night and kind of peeing up. And when I say ball, I not talk about football, alright? I don't play that shit. And when I say football, I not talk about American football, NFL, alright? Almond shape football, we not talk about that. I don't play that shit. Basketball, me I talk about when I say ball. Alright? Anyways, on the road I go. Look in the sky. Wanna see how bright that be? The sun is at its ripest right now. I don't know where me I go. Because I own you know. Because I own man. I'm gonna leave my yard in a sun at the channels. Anyways, I touch your road. Inside the supermarket, I'm not gonna grab it. If I buy 3 of them, I get it for $105. And if I buy 1 of this here, $95. 16 of this. Get 12. I go for the 12. Throw in a cookie and cream to all that stuff. See how much I go pay. Something I want to get a shot for of it for you. I don't know. I think I said Jesus. Black Jesus. I try to get a shot. Second time I see. This was the first time. Make a video right now and put it behind. I'm going to show you the video if we can find it. All me know is that them man they know the real bleach. Because if you wear white every time, your bleach must be top of the line. The iron I reach back home now. So you know I'm gonna wash up some plates and then get to preparing my little thing. Hopefully it turn out right. Alright, so I'm check back with them. I'm gonna switch the camera to because I'm a phone I use now. So I'm gonna switch the camera to the big one. I can't really walk around with the big camera on the road. We don't tell them this already. It's too bulky. So we are work to get a camera and a job. Understand? New camera? Yeah man, we're gonna work on that. Maybe next year. Or the year after that. I want donate $1 each from all my 2,000 subscribers. If I donate $1 each, then I can get a camera with these. That would be nice. I'm not gonna tell you guys to do it, I'm just saying that would be nice. If you want to. Just let me know. I go wash up the plate them. And then check back with the code. Vlog. Alright, big camera. Back in the corner again. And you must want to know why I love that corner so much. Because the lighting is good in this corner. That's why I'm always over here. So I'm going to set up the little things them when we need. And prepare to fry some Oreos. And we see how it tastes when we're done. God help me. If you don't wonder when we did that, like why it takes so long to take about the camera. Even though I'm not going to notice that. We did a work on a video for the dancehall channel we have. Like me always say, the link in the description for all of my channel them. The gaming channel, the dancehall channel, my main channel. And when you see this, which will be Saturday, that means I drop a video Friday on my main channel. Check it out, link in the description again. So yeah, I'm going to prepare the little things that I need. And check back with you now when everything's set up and ready for Gizzle. Grizzle? Vlog. Of course, with any good tutorial, you know, so you have to go up on YouTube to watch a video. The woman are perky though. The woman are perky so love fuck. Love fuck. Alright. Shit, the information fly off my screen. Alright. Alright then. Alright, them say we need. This is why I bought these little cups. For that specific purpose here, so make you measure out things the right way. So them say we need 1 cup. 1 cup of pancake mix. Yeah, we make that sit there, man. And Jemima, you get the plug. You say you can use any pancake mix. Alright. 1 cup pancake mix in a bowl. What next? 3, 2, what the fuck? Alright. Them say 2/3 cup of milk. This I say 1/3, so 2 of them here. Cool? Surge Island, I get the plug right there, so. So that is 1/3, and then we add another third. Make it 2/3. Bust it off. Boom. Alright, what them say now? 1 egg. So now crack the egg right there, so. One egg right there, so boom. And then what is now? 1.5 TSP. So 1.5. So 3 of them here. Vegetable oil. Lead down and get the plug. So that's a 1. That's a 2. So that's a 1. 2 halves make 1 whole. And them say 1.5. So put in half more. And away that. Bust it off. That is all we need basically. I don't know, you have to keep the kitchen tidy, so we put up the things that we use already, right? So now whip up my egg. Now whip up my egg. Whip up my egg. Whip up my egg. Oh Jesus. Oh, you know, drop. I whip it up. But I'm telling you, say fork, you know, fork are the original stirrer. See it? Them are dirty, so we chew it nicely. Mat it up. I will put back a little thing that we never use. Now so it up. Whip it up. Oh, this man. Let me slide on the next. Now, so one time I did in high school I run, right? And some powder did dash up on the ground. Some powder dash up in the classroom to rot it. And I run. None of whom did I run down and run and slip. My head back, get a piece and lick on the concrete. I must say that's why I'm mad so. I black out for a good 3 seconds. People who go to high school with me, I don't know if you remember that. When we did it in our first farm. In a 1 tree. Chester me used to go people. Chester, 1 tree, dig up on yourself. If them still have them sitting there. I don't know where I mix out this you know, where I mix it out. Hopefully it stays good. Or else I would just waste all of this pancake. But then look Olympia give me a hard time, my back hurt me. My back! Still a mix. I like how the butter looks still. Look like the butter have the right consistency. And you know sometimes some people tell if you follow their instructions and then your thing not turn out or for them thing look. The butter look like it have the right thickitude. Thickalities. Alright, I can't mix no more. I'm tired. I'm tired. After it, I'm going to present it to you right then. It's not going to shock you. So I tear down one. Alright, so we have Oreo them. I'm going to use the regular one. And what do you say again? Cookies and cream. So I use the regular and cookies and cream. And then we have 2 of the regular. 2 of the regular. Oh shit. It broke up. What? One of them are broke. Alright, so we have 2 cookie and cream, 2 regular. In case you know, I wash my hands just to get. But I'm here and I'm so you know really man. No, how do I cook for? Now them wash now, so what? What? Jeez. Can't make a man live that. Let's make a man live that. Let me live, man. I say you talk to yourself one time. You did in the first farm you drop and lick your head back. Yeah man, I say you talk to yourself. And them clean you know. I put the oil in the pot you know what I mean. And we're gonna make the oil heat up. Now them say one sitting about 300 and what's it what? Degrees Fahrenheit. How the hell me I gonna know that? Me have thermometer to put in a pot? No, me not have a thermometer to put in a pot. So what me I gonna do? I have to wait. I'm drip look like butter in there. When the butter float come back to the top, I don't know say right. I teach you something a while ago. Wanna learn something? Alright, so I'm gonna test if the oil hot you know. The black people wait. Put your hand over a pot. I drop some of my butter in there and see what happens. It look like that. It look like it's at the right temperature. Look. So I could try it now. This is the first one. Right, may I frig it up, dog. May I frig it up. Alright, boom. Them say drain off the excess. That's a one. Drain off the excess. That's a two. Them say if you fry for 3 minutes or until golden brown, then the golden crisp. Alright, see them, I just take them out. So far them look like them alright. One of them kind of browner than the rest. The one they must say Indian. Anyways, I'm gonna fry the rest, the leftovers. I put in the next set. Now them one are burn up. Right, they start burn up already. People if on the stove stay like me, you see? Make sure you watch it. Cause it will burn up. Alright, I like how them one look. The brown pan look right. Yes, Rasta. Up close and personal with them one here. Flipper. Flip. Make you no flip. I like how them one here look. Them look right. Yes. Alright, so it's time for we test them now. And look what I got with me. No? I'm gonna bother her from what should I do? Come make you test it.
And I'm doing this on the grill, the rest, but
You can test anyone. Them turn out pretty good. So we're gonna try it in a tree. If anybody wondering why you have a wife, this is why you have a wife. So as a husband, when you cook something and it's gonna poison, it poisons the both of you. Okay? This is why you have a wife. Ready?
what is
Deep fried Oreo cookies. We do the regular and then when them cookies and cream, you might like cookies and cream. You like cookies and cream? Anyway, so I'm gonna try it in a tree. 1, 2, 3. Bruh. That's what it tastes nice. It tastes like Chinese people fried dumplings. That's what it is. Bad man, how it is? It's either it tastes bad or it tastes good, you're last night. Which one? Yeah, which one?
May I try to figure it out?
How is it? I know you don't really like the salty food, you know, but
It's not too sweet for me.
yeah, you don't like none sweet either.
But it tastes nice.
But no.
But the fuck?
Yo! So there you have it, people. Deep fried Oreos. Let me see nothing else when we can try. Then we do it for you to make a vlog. But them body shit. Nice and warm.
Outside.
Pancake butter. The freaking woman tell me about 1 cup of wash it not. Woman, look how much cereal you make me have left over.
You better use it make pancake.
I drink it. Vloggy vlog. It has been a good day, you know what I mean? I drop a video on my main channel, I drop a video on the gaming channel, I drop a video on the news flash channel, the dancehall channel. So it has been a good day. I've been putting in this work, and then my vlog people are going to get a vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow meaning Saturday. I don't know what I'm saying, but you know. When you want to reach certain levels, you have to just put in the work. You know, young youth, put in the work, man, trust me. But watch no face. Just go and do your thing. See it? And don't make people distract you with them bad vibes and them bad energy. So me I say? Yeah, man. But a Friday, so I'm not really in a cooking vibe. Go up on the road, go get some food. Something dead. I play some game, relax my meds a little bit. Oh, and for my main channel, if you have videos that you would like to see me react, just send them to me on Twitter, send them to me on my Facebook page, tag me in a them, message me them on my Facebook page. Just send them to me if you want to see me react to them. With that said, go check out the video on my main channel. So I'm going to play some game, I might show you that. I might make you see me play a game. So I understand what my gaming channel is about. Cool?
The machine doesn't work without all the cogs.
Shut up. For all the people in on PlayStation, if you want to add me, it's Kevin Too Crazy. Kevin, the number 2, WOKRAYZEE. So yeah, I'm doing a little preview of what going on for the gaming channel. Basically just play a game and talk. That's it. So if you like to watch somebody play a game and talk, yeah.
Intel confirms multiple hostiles. Stay alert and play it smart.
Alright then. I'm select the burner, you know? Supposed to go see from people. What them say? Salute! Salute that! But like that person here, I know what to find the boy the more time, you understand? Somebody I come around the corner and I go force it on them. Like where boy them? God damn it! You get slapped way already. We're gonna send me a somebody force it on them. Force it on them. Oh shit! This is a big fussy them. Watch me now. Yeah, rings around it. Somebody come around the corner. Now bust it on them. Billy I see them bust it on. Jesus, you get. Oh man. Watch me that boy I know. Watch how I sneak up on it now. Bust it. Somebody catch him already. Yo! Freaking hell, me not shoot nothing yet, you know? Tell about the crocketude. Yo, me can't. Me have to bust it and smell it for the fans. He dead. That dead. You see? Oh shit. My teammate them a bust it for me, man. Somebody else mess up. Flipping shit! Yo, me not bust it for nobody, dog. Watch out. Rinse it over there. I'm dash out one grenade from blast up some of these people. Look, one grenade they give me a 1 kill. Fuck that. Bongo. Me hurt. Me hurt. Because yesterday when me playing them blast boy. That's a one. That's a one. That's a one. That's a one. That's one. Freak you. When me a cookie boy them skin. Double kill the youths them get. Freak you, 3 that. Now post it on the boy. Now post it on the boy them. I'm mad me mad there now. Well I'm gonna cool off it. Me do what? Somebody come on and say me foolish. Me do what man, me have to run go cool off a while then. Jesus, me running by me when me are MD pan me teammate them. Yes man, me have post it on the boy them. Alright, I want to get me. Him get me. Him get me. Him get me. See that gun here, I know a regular gun, you know. I sit here. I'm going to take out there now. See it there now. I'm going to get shot at that. Watch out. Bust them out. Bust them out. Alright, then catch me. But you don't see what happens. You don't see what happens. Boy, I get slapped with. You get the killing them. Please, you know. Yo, that boy get catch. Me clap him. Me know say me get. My side I win, I think. Yo freak, you one grenade slap me where I slap with one. Another kill. Oh shit, run up in that. Bullet dog. Run up in that bullet dog. I'm bust that corner, I don't know where you're going. You freak guy, you somebody slap him with sitting in town in that dust. Freak guy, you. Bomba! But don't have a look at this of what going on from the gaming channel. Feel free to go over there and subscribe. Alright? Pick up on the theft. Step up out of here. It is the end of the day, man. It was a beautiful day. Got a lot done. Gonna get to see the whole gaming thing too. Check out all of the links in the description and subscribe to all of my channels. You know, support the boy. Support the boy. And as always, me thank you for the support before I even give it to me. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm at most of the time. Remember, if you don't have videos you want to see me react to, like the one where I just drop on my main channel, just tweet them to me or send them to me on my Facebook page. As me telling them, I'm gonna try to drop a vlog once a week, and usually it's gonna be on a Saturday, so that means that the vlog is going to be off my Friday. Anything else, we make you know. I'm gonna try to do more vlogs like we wanna see today. In some cases, come up with fresh ideas, show them to you also. You know, me not wearing a shirt, my nipple are show. Just them take a shower and I go eat some food. We go up on the road to get the food, so I eat some food. So yeah, me see you when I see you. Zane, take care of yourself.